First, ensure your Hisense air conditioner has Wi-Fi capability. Modern Hisense units, including portable, window, and split systems, typically include this feature. Download the Hisense Connect Life app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. This is the primary app for controlling your Hisense smart air conditioner. Position your air conditioner within a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal range. Hisense units typically don't support 5 GHz networks, so ensure you're using the correct frequency band. Turn on your air conditioner. Then activate pairing mode by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button or sometimes the swing button on the remote for portable units or the connect button on window units for 3 to 5 seconds. Look for the Wi-Fi indicator light to blink rapidly, or some models might display 77 on the control panel to indicate pairing mode is active. Finally, create a Hisense account within the Connect Life app if you don't already have one. This account will allow you to manage your air conditioner remotely and access all smart features.